Eric, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. I have Stephen Labrie.
Stephen what?
Labrie, Labrie. Labrie, I think that's how you say it. It's at 8:35.
Okay, I haven't seen him yet. It's HDM Global. Yeah, I don't know who this is. HDM Global, you're back. HDM Global, can you please state your name? Start your video. All right, if you can't get it right, you're gonna have to come in. HDM Global. HMD Global, Nokia. I'm sending you the prompt to start your video. I'm gonna have to put you out again and I'm not gonna let you back in. All right, no. Wait, Judge. You're on two devices, ma'am? Or ring?
Oh, no, I got kicked out of the meeting, so I had to re-ask.
No, you're in breakout room 7 right now.
It told me I had to leave the room and ask to get put back into it.
I don't see that. Do you have two devices on?
No, sir. It said something went wrong, close your browsers and rejoin the meeting.
I can't see how that's possible, but here, something going on now. All right, you're gonna be in there twice now.
Okay.
I just don't believe that. Okay, good morning, Counselor. Sorry, who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Natavia Laws.
Natavia Laws, there she is.
Perfect.
Is this Soroki?
We were appointed on it before, and then she failed to appear, so Mr. Soroki bounced it back to us.
Okay. Ms. Orbrink, what's going on?
I'm not exactly sure. It kicked me out again. It said something's wrong, close your browser. So I did, and it sent me right back here.
I don't see how you're on. And you say you're not on two devices, right?
Correct.
All right, let's open up.
Should I try it again and come back in?
Hang up all your device, hang up and then just come back in.
Okay. All right.
Aaron Smith.
Hello, I'm Officer Smith with Detroit Animal Care and Control.
Okay, Officer Smith, good morning to you.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
We can't do nothing about that.
All right, you gotta mute yourself, Officer Smith, please.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. We waiting for the drugs, big bro.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there'll be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no hoodies, no head wraps unless they are of religious purpose. Please mute your phones while court is in session. Court is in session.
All right, good morning, everyone. Do the best I can. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came.
Donna, can you co-host me, please? I just want to
I
mute.
thought I just did.
Oh, maybe so. I didn't check. Yep, thank you.
All right. Is Dominique Gales here? Is Andre Gordon here? Is Kamari Gunn? All right, and Lossing, let's call the city of Detroit versus Erica Vaughn Lawson. Case number SP 1717581, SP 123865541. Ms. Lawson, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Erica Lawson.
All right, today is the date and time set for Ms. Lawson. Were you supposed to do some community service or something, or were you supposed to pay?
Yes, sir. Community service.
All right, did you do it?
Yes, sir. I completed it.
How many hours?
60.
Let's get community service on here. Let's see. Did you send the information in to the community service coordinator? Okay, let's check that. All right, let me pass the matter. Let me get community service down here. Check the hours. If they're complete, we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay, no problem.
James, I just have a first name of James. Is that James Garner?
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus James Earl Garner, case number SP 1100435, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1169507, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1169521. SP 122300791. SP 127376881. SP 139275512. SP 1547407. SP 1560103. SP 1734242. And let's say State of Michigan versus James SX 3626856-1. I held you in contempt of court. Um, 24000007. State your name for the record, please.
My name is, I am James Garner, the living man, not the corporate fiction that y'all alleging these charges against.
All right, you got to come down and appear in person, sir.
And I have no problem with that. As soon as the prosecutor can provide me with jurisdiction, an affidavit of an injured party, and a sworn affidavit from someone named the people of the state of Michigan. Because under the law, all of those things must be intact for me to even answer these alleged charges. The court has no jurisdiction. They have not shown any jurisdiction. They have not presented me with any jurisdiction or a contract saying that they have jurisdiction.
All right, well, before we even get into that, you have to come down. Mr. Garner, you have to come down in person, all right?
We did that, and that didn't work out so good. Okay, well, here's the thing, Mr. Perkins. Unless the court can provide me with a sworn affidavit under oath, as the law requires, of an injured party, there is no case. In order for a case to exist, there must be an injured party. The law says it is the rule of law. And unless the court is trying to violate their oath of office and commit perjury, I don't understand what the problem is.
All right. All right, I'm gonna mute you, sir. Come on down. Make your way on down, all right?
Clearly states.
All right, let's pass that matter.
The law clearly states there must be an injured party for a case to exist.
I'm gonna put them in the waiting room. Come on down, sir. All right. Let's pass that matter. City of Detroit versus Angel Latrice Gaston, case number SP 17275-761. Here, please.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaston.
Unmute yourself, start your camera, ma'am. State your name, please.
Hello, Judge. You talking to me?
No, Angel Latrice Gaston. Good morning to you, Ms. Lawrence.
Good morning. Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, good morning. State your name for the record, Ms. Gaston.
My name is Angel Latrice Gaston.
All right. Date and time set for a pretrial. You had told me last time you were going to retain your own lawyer. Did you do so?
No, they didn't want to take it. They told me they didn't want to take that.
All right. You want us to appoint a lawyer for you?
Yes, sir.
I need a good phone number from you, please.
My phone number is 313-367-7797.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date for September the 2nd, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set. That date is set. Make sure that an attorney calls you at 313. Hold on, there's too much noise. At 313-367-7797, right? Ms. Gaston?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the correct number?
Yes, sir.
All right, I got that number, so, I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that attorney, then, we'll get one appointed on the spot on that date, all right?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Come back on, September 2nd.
Thank you so much. All right. Have a nice and a wonderful day.
You as well. Portia Gordon. Portia Gordon. Portia Gordon. Who has Portia Gordon? Okay, is Portia Gordon represented by someone? All right. What about Laws is represented by someone? Is that?
That'll be me, Judge.
That would be you? This is called the City of Detroit versus Batavia Laws. Case number SB 1509872. SB U6971434, SB 1705117, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank
Your
Messiah,
Honor.
87848 on behalf of Miss Laws. Miss Laws, please state your full name for the record.
Start your camera, please.
Laws.
Start your camera, please, Ms. Laws. Thank you. All right, you're laying down, ma'am. I'm tired of this.
I'm not down. I'm looking at my camera.
All right, good morning to you. Let's go with Mr. Are these two new tickets here or no? Are these the same ones?
These are the same ones, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Laws. Get
I
her
already
updated.
spoke to Miss Laws, Judge. We were just going to ask for a bench trial date and a formal hearing date.
Okay, trial / formal hearing. It's gonna be September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Ms. Laws, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
September 5th, at what time?
At 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Do you have anyone else?
That's all I had for you today.
Very well. Alexander Gray. Alexander Gray. All right, I think they're represented by someone too. Ms. Laws, you're free to leave.
Bye.
All right. What about Jadima Lissette?
No, this is DeLorean Love. I use, yes, DeLorean Love. I use my girlfriend email.
But it's not me, it's you.
Yes. And I had a court date this morning.
City of Detroit versus DeLorean Love, case number SP 1001063, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1176951, SP 1215016, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1217494, counts 1 and count 2 and counts 3. SP 1247763, 2. SP 1303453, SP 1542637, counts 1, 2. SP 1542961, 1. That's the cutoff for officer formal hearings.
It's 31. It's not.
All right, SP 1545964, SP 603581, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1637010, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1637081, SP 1653954, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1660265, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1742697, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 174270001. SP 989652, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9970525. 18446183, counts 1 and counts 2. 20721-506, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Love.
DeLorean
Love.
Anthony Love.
All right. Today is the
DeLorean
day.
Anthony Love.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I enter a not guilty plea on this behalf, give him a $0 bond. Put you in the breakout room. I counted 31 cases on the docket. I don't know how many I counted into the record. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Love, get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Love, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, please. And let's pass the matter. What about Guillermo Lopez? Guillermo Lopez. Is he here? All right, what about James Garner? We already don't know. Stephen Escamilla.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you. Take your hat off, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Steve Michael Escamilla, case number SP 1554560. I'm waiting on an attorney, please.
Sheriff
I'm
Harris,
sorry,
on behalf of Mr. Escamilla, please state your name for the record.
Steve Escamilla.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room, let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Shamika Lane. Case number SP 1716671, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1752208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752223, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752227, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Miss Lane, can you unmute yourself? State your name for the record, please.
Nika Lane.
Ms. Lane, according to you, today is the date and time set for a like pre-trial. Ms. Soroki, give Ms. Lane an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lane, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room. Ms. Soroki, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. All right, Yvonne Yang.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Did you ever confirm for the lawsuit? This is the City of Detroit versus Yvonne Dora Yang Lang. Case number SP 1413522, SP 170835551. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Yvonne Lang.
Good morning, Ms. Lang. Did you, you were supposed to do 24 hours of community service?
Yes. Yes, I did. I did the 24 hours, but I had picked my own spot. I didn't know that I was supposed to get it from the community service office. Nobody never contacted me or sent me a letter.
So listen, we talked about that before you left. I said, nobody contacts you. Get back in touch with the court. You cannot just go on your own and do community service. How are we supposed to verify that?
I know. When I called the lady yesterday, I thought it was like some paper I supposed to get signed, and that's what she was saying. She said the same thing also.
Yeah, so you didn't follow instructions. I told you, if nobody calls you, call back. You can call that number that I gave you. I wrote it on the form, or you can zoom back into the court, and you didn't do it.
SP 1717582.
All right, well, you're gonna have to do 24 hours of community service that we can verify. If the community service coordinator, if that place is on the list and you can show proof that you did it and it's on the list of authorized places, then we'll accept it. But if it's not, you need to do 24 more hours.
Okay, I will.
So what do you want to do? You want to see where did the place that you did community service? Where was that place?
At the Life Community Church.
You want to see if that's on their list? Did you talk to somebody from community service already?
Yes, I talked to somebody day before yesterday because I thought it was a paper I needed to take them to sign. I never had community service in Detroit, so I didn't know how. And when I had community service somewhere else, and that was the procedure, I misunderstood.
All right, let's see if, call community service coordinator down. Did Lawson get hers done?
She's checking.
Okay, we'll pass the matter. Get her in here, please, and we can see if they have that place on the list.
What was the name of the
The name of the, is, what was the name of the organization?
Life Community Church.
Life Community Church. Let me name some of these individuals. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Yes. Good morning, John Lott.
John Lott.
John, John.
John Lott, Lott.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Lott, I'm just taking them in the order that they came in, okay?
Okay.
All right. On the Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Okay.
What's your name, sir? Zoom user?
Leon Griffith.
Zoom user. Good morning, Mr. Griffin. I have you checked in.
Okay.
Zoom user.
Mr. Balawi.
No, I have you checked in too. On the Zoom user with the blue shirt on.
Stephen Labrie.
Stephen who?
Labrie.
Okay, Labrie, that's somebody's client. Good morning to you, Mr. Labrie.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Repeat that, please.
Yes, somebody is here to represent you already.
Yes.
Who's your attorney?
I just met her on the phone call.
Okay. Well, she's here.
Great.
Yeah.
Hello?
You can talk to her on speakerphone. 512-718-4617. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Curtis Lee Lewis.
Curtis Lee Lewis.
Yes.
All right.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lang. Miss Lang, I need you to give Miss Shelton a call. She's gonna call you. She's gonna try to confirm that you did the hours that you say you did. All right? Where's Miss Lang?
Okay, I hear you. Yes.
Okay, you have the number over there?
Yes.
All right, call Miss Shelton and zoom back in. Let's see if she can confirm that. I'm willing to accept it if she can confirm it, all right?
Okay.
All right, just zoom back in when you're done.
Okay.
Ms. Lawson, we're waiting. She's working on confirming yours now, okay? All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Escamillion. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll set a pretrial date on September 2nd, 2025 at 8:30. We'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well, sir.
Judge,
Yes.
for Mr. Stephen Labrie, what we need is a bench trial date and enough time to get discovery on his matter or a new pretrial date, whichever way you want to go.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Labrie, case number U7174175. Here for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Stephen Labrie. Judge, we're asking for a new pretrial date or a bench trial date that's far enough for me to get my discovery.
All right, well, I'm gonna give you the bench trial date of September the 5th. September the 5th is gonna be the bench trial date.
Excuse me, Judge, is that 21 days? Because they got 21 days to do this.
Well, they're gonna have to do it quicker than that.
Okay, that's the only caveat. You know, if they have it, fine.
It's 21 days.
Okay, well, as long as it gives them the time. September 5th, what time?
At 9 a.m.
Okay, all right, thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Labrie, state your name for the record.
Stephen Joseph Labrie.
All right, September the 5th, come back September the 5th, sir. Have a very good day.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, Your Honor.
Any more, Miss Baird? All right, let's move on. Let's get Mr. Davion London. You there, sir?
Said Devon or Davion? London.
Is it Davon London? Give me the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry, Devon. I'm sorry.
You okay?
All right, Mr. London, this is the City of Detroit versus Devon London, case number SP 1175912, counts 1, 2, and 3. And State of Michigan versus Devon London, case number SX 3675410-2. Appearance for the record, please.
Devon London.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. London.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. London owes $288 on an old no insurance proof. He owes a few other civil infractions as well, but strike that. The 336 is affecting him from getting clearances here on a no insurance proof. He owes $288 on an old speeding ticket and a $222 on an old expired plate ticket. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. If the city has no objection, that insurance and expired plate is this year, and it's on the docket. And it's on the docket. So I'll call SP 1662226, counts 1 and counts 2 into the record. You still, yep, Davon. Yes. You still have not taken care of that reinstatement fee. I think I allowed you to pay the reinstatement fee up front the last time. Give Mr. London.
No, you told me to go. You told me to go get the paperwork, and they'll throw everything out if I present the insurance.
I told you that?
Yes.
Give Mr. London an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. London, if you don't like the offer, you have not right to a trial. Join the breakout room and speak to Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Loving. Mr. Loving, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What does your client want to do?
This is Mr. Love, Mr. Dorian Love, Your Honor.
Yeah, Mr. Love.
Your Honor,
yes, I'm here.
My client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
But you
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Love?
well, really, yes, that's what I said, but I do have a lot of tickets. So that's what I'm gonna have to do.
That's obvious. All right.
Well, Judge, do you think that program that's coming up to take some of my tickets off?
No, I mean, maybe take some of them off, but you're gonna have to come to court anyway.
Oh no, I'm gonna come to court. You hear me?
Yeah. So you're gonna have to come to court. There's a program out there is only gonna be for the civil infractions. And you have a lot of misdemeanors. I need a good phone number from you. It's 313-454-6804, the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date for September the 2nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. I mean, at 8:30 a.m. That date is set to make sure that that appointed attorney has had contact with you. If that appointed attorney has not had contact with you by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All right? You need to answer the call. You need to answer the call if you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, all right?
Yes, sir.
You have any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yes, you do the same.
Good morning. Who do we have here? Good morning. Test. That's a line item. I sit tight. Good morning to you, man.
Good morning, Whitney.
And you have a case as well?
Yes.
What's your name?
Whitney Grafton.
Grafton?
Yes.
I see it. It's separate show property. This is called the City of Detroit versus Eddie Galloway. Case number SP 10914-051, SP 110107441, and 247677201. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Galloway.
Eddie Galloway.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Galloway, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Now, let's pass the matter. Join the room, please. Let's go back on the record, Mr. London. Ms. Harris, I don't have anything to confirm what I said to Mr. London says I said to him, because I don't have Mr. London's file. I don't know where it went. Go ahead. What did you ascertain from Mr. London?
Your Honor, Mr. London wants to take the opportunity to approach the Secretary of State. He understands that he needs to come down to the court to, if the court will allow, pay the reinstatement fees up front.
So what's this talk about? I told you that I would dismiss everything. Well, what's all that talk about?
It was just the paperwork in.
And if I'm understanding correctly, it's if he brought the documentation in, more likely than not, those matters would be dismissed. He doesn't have it today, so we just need an opportunity and he will come back.
So my question is this: what have you done since the last time you were here to today? What's going on?
Well, I've been working. I'm actually outside of work right now to go down there and retrieve my license, paying a reinstatement fee.
All right. Set a trial date for September the 5th, 2025. September the 5th, 2025. It should be marked already. Pay the reinstatement fee up front. If it's not, I'm allowing you to do that. You have to come down to the courthouse, pay $45. The quicker you do that, the quicker you'll have a clearance here. Go to the Secretary of State. If you go to the Secretary of State and they don't give you a license, then you ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. The only thing I see is that no insurance proof down here. That's why I'm allowing you to pay the reinstatement fee. All right.
Okay.
So November the 5th.
September
the 5th. I'm sorry.
And that's at go to 36 District Court, right?
You have to come down to the window. There's no better way that I can allow you to do it because it's just a special thing, and you have to come down to the 36 District Court cashier's window, and it should be in the system. All right.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, y'all have a beautiful and blessed day.
You as well. All right.
Thank you.
When is it? It's past 9:30. You can call him now. Derek Lamar, he's not supposed to be here until the 9th, to the 19th. So you're not supposed to be here, Mr. Gwynn, until the 19th. Where's Gwynn? Derek Gwynn. All right. So he's not responding.
Your Honor, he's on the docket for today also.
Is he on the docket for today?
8:45.
Got discussion this case?
There's show cause.
He is, Judge.
Where's Gwen? Where's Gwen? Is he here? If he's not gonna respond, we're gonna move on. I'm sending him the prompt. Derek Gwen. All right, let's get Patrick Grafton. All right, I'm gonna take care of it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Do you have a cell phone now? Mr. Whitney? Do you have a cell phone?
Yeah, it's on.
No, can you turn it on and go sign in? I'm gonna get you taken care of.
Yes. So what I need to do once it's on?
Yeah, you sign on Zoom. You have some documentation that you need to show?
Yes.
Give that to the officer, we'll make some copies of it, all right?
Yes.
All right.
Patrick Grafton.
All right. City of Detroit versus Patrick Bernard Grafton. Case number SP 105410, counts 1 and counts 2. That's 1300389, counts 1 and 2. SP 140, strike that, SP 1406343, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1431248, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1499902, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1501927, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1520357 SB 1520980, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 88666, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 8866683. State of Michigan versus Patrick Grafton, case number SX 3115670, counts 1 and counts 2. V122114221, V1221152, V1221161, V1221172, V1221182, 16301627, counts 1 and counts 2.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Grafton, please state your name for the record.
Patrick Grafton.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Not guilty on his behalf, we'll give a $0 bond. Put him in a breakout room with you, Mr. Grafton, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
before we move to that breakout room, was there previously a request for appointed counsel?
I don't know. I don't know if I've ever seen Mr. Grafton before. Yeah, I've seen him before. He didn't show up last year.
So he did ask for counsel? I just want, because we may be renewing that request.
I don't know. I didn't see that in there. But let him know if he does, if he gets his court again, I'm gonna put a cash bond on it.
Okay.
All right. Got your documents on.
And that's my uncle.
Grafton?
Yes.
I figured it was.
My mom's brother.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, she's requesting a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lane? Where's Ms. Lane? All right, I'm going to set a trial date, Ms. Lane, for September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You said what time?
At 9 a.m., September the 5th, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, man. All right, Mr. Ludy, Jeremy Ludy, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. What brings you here? Are you on the docket?
Yeah, I have received a letter saying I had failure to appear, and I had to appear at 8:45 today.
City of Detroit versus Jeremy Cardell, Ruby 18-467-2841. Appearance for the record, please. Sir, Mr. Rowe. Ms. Soroki.
You're calling Mr. Oki, right?
No,
Okay, you're calling me. I'm ready, Your Honor.
I wonder what's going on. Who's your client, Mr. Soroki?
Okay, first one we can start with is Perkins Gordon.
Stand right, Judge.
Morning to you.
Sir.
Let's see, I called that case already, didn't I? Here it is. City of Detroit versus Perkins Gordon. Case numbers SP 1073387, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1242481. SP 1388679. SP 1388946, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1539080, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1540439, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1540441, and U618000221. Appearance for the record, please.
Ellen Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
My full name is Perkins Gordon.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Sherrill?
Your Honor, at the suggestion of Prosecutor Alexa, we're requesting that Mr. Gordon be put into street court.
All right, that's what you want to do. I'm going to call street court and get them in here. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, I do, Mr. Judge. Yes, sir.
All right, let me get them in here, and they're usually pretty prompt. And I'll pass the matter, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's, who do you have? I called
Alexander Gray.
I called Alexander Gray as well. This is the City of Detroit versus Alexander Gray Jr. Case numbers SP 1035263, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1063092. SP 1437341. SP 1179685, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1337761. SP 1397060, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1397087, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1619801, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 164969001, SP 1 and count 2. SP 1726059, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1726060, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1726066, counts 1 and counts 2. 2046060, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Alexander Gray.
Your Honor, we didn't get an offer in these matters. So we're setting them for a bench trial.
All right, Mr. Gray, good morning to you.
Good morning,
Trial
sir.
is going to be September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, you too.
And that's by Zoom, sir.
That's by Zoom.
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready to answer Mr. Galloway, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Eddie Galloway. Mr. Galloway, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Galloway?
Yes.
All right, trial date is going to be September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Galloway, have a very good rest of your day.
I didn't catch that date.
November the 5th. I mean, strike that. September the 5th. September the 5th.
Okay. Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day. Is Derek Gwynn, did he ever respond? Derek Gwynn?
I'm not sure.
All right, he's not responding. Turned his camera on, but he's not responding. All right, let's go ahead to
Hiram Long is ready, Your Honor.
all right, Derek Gwynn. Let's get Derek Gwynn. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Derek Gwynn. Case numbers SP 1748046, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 174824441. SP 1761366, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gwynn.
Mr. Gwynn, state your name for the record.
Here, Gwen.
All right, did I tell you, what if you got more tickets, sir? Let's see his file. It's only gonna be one way that I have, other than to fine you, and all of this is just to lock you up. That's the only other way that we can try to get your attention.
That's to lock me up.
Yes.
I can't pay him. I can't pay him.
No, you keep getting tickets. You're not, you can pay them, but you continue to get tickets.
I recently got some tickets.
Say what?
I just really started back like getting tickets and shit for real. I wasn't getting no tickets in the last couple years.
It doesn't matter when you recently start getting tickets. You're not supposed to be driving. There's another 30 cases here. Come back on the 19th. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. Yeah, we'll set these other matters for the same date on the 19th. And you have your whole file.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that okay? Now, my
I don't hear what you're saying, sir.
it's August 19th, right?
August 19th.
Okay, on Zoom?
On Zoom.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
City of Detroit. defendant, what the date of birth is wrong.
It's off, somebody typed it wrong. Court last.
Oh, that ticket was missed
And then when we run the summary, when you run the summary, it didn't come up.
on the 18th.
Yes,
It's
yeah,
not
on the
here
top.
yet. So where is it? 18th?
It's sitting on the top. Here, first thing you open it up.
Where is that? Everybody, I mean, it's like, I don't see how they-
I'm glad it came back to work, and I just rescheduled.
City of Detroit versus Jeremy Cardell Moody, case number 18-4672-841. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeremy Moody.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ludi.
Jeremy Cardell Moody.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your date of birth?
1/24/97.
And this is entered into wrong. That's why this ticket is missed. I enter not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him $0 bond. Can you fix it, Ms. Smith?
No, no.
Huh? Yeah. All right. There's another ticket that was outstanding, but you haven't paid. Were you supposed to do community service or what?
No, you told me to have it paid by the 25th.
Of this month?
Yes, sir.
Well, we have to take care of this other ticket here.
Okay.
What does Ms. Snyder want to do with this one ticket? I'm gonna dismiss it. I'm gonna dismiss it. It should have went along with the other deal.
Okay.
I'll dismiss the case, sir.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well.
All right. This one. What is your birthday again?
January 24th, 1997.
January 24th. So they just keep it wrong. All right. Best of luck to you. I'm dismissing the case. I'll waive the warrant fee.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, dismiss. All right. Jocelyn, you knows.
Yes.
Good morning. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yeah.
Your Honor, Miss Munoz is my client. She had left the breakout room I had put her in, and I need to talk to her. I have an offer anyways, but.
No.
Oh, I can't.
That doesn't matter. If you dismiss it, I'm fine. No, if you dismiss it, I'm fine. You don't have to. All right, go back in the breakout room. You never take it online. You're on now? Which name are you on? Okay, go ahead out in the hall. Here, yeah.
Yeah.
You get a place to stuff?
This is the city of Detroit versus Wheatley Grafton, case number SP 174-3104, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 176-07391. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name.
Is Ms. Grafton, did she connect to audio?
Yes. Yes. You hear me?
Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Whitley Grafton.
All right, there's the date and time set or her uncle's here.
Just for show cause, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client $0 bond. 744, okay, so that's 2 cases on the docket, Mr. Berry. I called 1, 2, 3, 4 into the record. One is an expired plate, and then the other one is a failure to stop at a stop sign. I believe Ms. Grafton brought some information in. Did you get the information from Ms. Grafton?
No, I tried to give it to him.
You didn't give it to him yet?
No, I tried to give it to him. He can take it, but I can give it to him right now.
Now, speak to Mr. Berry. He'll take care of you. If Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer, keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Ms. Grafton. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out.
Officer Wilson. Officer Wilson.
Lynch is somebody's client as well, right? What about Justin Gomez? What about Justin Gomez? Go get that done.
Yeah, I'm here.
Justin Gomez, do you have an attorney?
No.
I don't see you on the docket. Is that your full name, sir?
My name
Yes.
is Justin David Gomez Caballero.
Justin
David Gomez Caballero.
Okay, I have it as Gabrielle Castilla Gomez
Caballero.
You have a ticket number?
Yes.
What is it?
Is 17325242.
You're not supposed to be back until September the 10th. September the 10th is your next court date.
Where's my court date?
Yeah, did you do community service?
Yes, but I have ready done.
Come back September the 10th.
I have a different ticket.
I only see one.
You only see one? I have two.
I only see one in your name.
Yesterday I had the one and today another one. But
I don't see it. You get that case number you gave me. It's supposed to be September 10th.
September 10th.
Yep.
All right.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
John Lott?
Yes.
Morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
All right. City of Detroit versus John Artis Lott, case number strike that U717377125. Let me see if these other ones are how old these other ones are. We'll call them SP1665363, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Lott, Your Honor.
Mr. Lott, state your name for the record, please.
John Lott.
All right, today is the date and time set for a retrial. The other two tickets are in default. They went into default this year. Is a no insurance proof 336 and an expired plate 222. I don't have any issue with setting it aside if the city has no objection to it. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lott, and speak to Mr. Wilkins. I'll get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, please.
Yes, sir.
Master matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grafton. Mr. Grafton, what did your client want to do? Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel. I've placed his contact information in the chat. I have advised him that he has to make note of all court dates.
And I believe the courts have the wrong address for me.
What is your address, sir?
23413 Finkel, apartment C3, Detroit, Michigan, 48223.
Apartment 1C?
C3, C as in cat 3.
That's 23413 Finkel?
Yes, sir.
I must say, this too is ridiculous, Mr. Grafton. Four, 5, 2042. That's the best number to reach you.
Yes, sir.
Big Mont.
4971.
What's that mean?
That's my birthday.
Talk about the Big Mont. I thought it was like, I thought I was about to read big money on that.
No, I ain't got none of that. I'm disabled. I ain't got none of that.
9/2/2025. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not reach you by that next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
When is that court date again, Your Honor?
September 2nd, September 2nd.
At what time?
At 8:30.
Thank you.
Your niece told you hi too.
If you gonna get me in trouble with the judge. Tell I said hi.
All right. Have a good day.
All right.
All right. Somebody else has Glimpse and Long. What about Baldwin? Hassan Baldwin. Is he still here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Balawi.
Balawi.
Let me see. Are you the same Balawi that I sent you to your alphabet judge? You've been here before plenty of times?
I've been here before.
Plenty of times, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, you're going to your alphabet judge. Yeah. Allegations. Yeah, we'll send him to his alphabet judge. City of Detroit versus Sam Mohammed Balawi, case number SP 162-30831, SP 166-74191. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Hassan Mohammed Balawi.
All right. You don't pay, you keep getting tickets. Pre-trial is going to be on 16/2025 at 8:35. That's courtroom 340. The Zoom ID is 360-360-0340. You should know that.
360-360, all zeros?
No, 360-360-0340. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
September 16th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, Mr. Curtis Lee Lewis.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. You did it?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Curtis Lee Lewis, case number SP 149-6601. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Curtis Lee Lewis.
Second. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Whether or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
He's in there. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Erica Lossing. Ms. Lossing, I do have confirmation that you completed community service. We thank you for that. What I'm going to do for these civil infractions, I'm going to clear them out. I'm going to close them out. And the misdemeanors, the ones that, also we'll do it. SP 1175553 will close out. SP 11860-591 will close out. Are you there, Ms. Lawson? Okay, you're.
Yes.
SP 1186076, counts 1 and count 3 will close out.
Okay.
SP 1188171 close out. SP 1278003 close out. SP 1238654 will dismiss. SP 1238653 close out. SP 1694731 will dismiss. SP 1717581 will dismiss. Needed. Community service. Something further, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Attorney Dupree is in the waiting room. I need to make a motion to adjourn on his case, the formal hearing. The officer needs to go on duty.
Who's this client?
Gonzalez Martinez at 8:30.
Can we do that? Can we do that now?
The officer needs to leave within the next 5 minutes. So I don't believe we have time, Your Honor.
Gonzalez Martinez, it was set for a formal hearing?
Yes, Your Honor, at 8:30.
If Your Honor, this is Officer Sahib. If the attorney is here and the defendant is here, we can go ahead and go forward with it if you're available.
City of Detroit, good morning, Officer Trooper Steve. This is City of Detroit versus Dario Gonzalez Martinez, strike that, State of Michigan versus Dario Gonzalez Martinez, case number SX 455-58421. Here for the record, please.
Michigan State Police Officer Sahib, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P 80322. It is a formal hearing.
Mr.
Sorry, Judge, I didn't mean to cut you off. Good morning, Matthew Dupree, P80132, standing in for the attorney of record, Roger Callie, on behalf of the defendants. Judge, I am actually in this moment having difficulty getting my client onto Zoom, which was unexpected. And thus, I guess the defense is not prepared to proceed as expected.
Are you, you mean, are the people prepared to proceed, right? Is that what you're thinking? Is that what you meant?
Well, Judge, I'm ready to, I don't know if the court requires for civil infraction the defendant be present. If not, then I'm ready to proceed. If so, then I think at this point it would probably just be, I think we'd be forced to accept a plea of responsible.
Well, I'm not saying you're gonna be forced to. What is your client can't sign on, correct?
That's correct, Judge. I've been trying to get a hold of him and have not been able to for the last few minutes.
Okay. So the officer, Trooper Saeed needs to get on duty. So what do you want to do? Do you want to waive his presence and hold the hearing? Or do you want, I would rather have him here if you don't have the authority to enter anything on his behalf. What do you want to do?
Judge, I guess we would ask for an adjournment.
I'm back on September the 5th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your
Real
Honor.
quick, Your Honor, can we check Officer Sahib? Does September 5th work for you?
Yes, it works for me.
It's a
Thank
Friday.
you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Trooper Saeed, there's nothing further. You be safe out there. Have a very good
Thank you,
day.
sir. You too. See you next time.
Thanks, Judge.
Mr. Bree, do you have anybody else?
That's it for me today, Judge. Thank you very much.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Grafton, Whitney Grafton, stand up to the podium there. I mean, to the microphone over there, please. Let's go back on the record with Miss Grafton. Ms. Grafton, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is she done on the advice and rights form?
She did, Your Honor. I have it right here.
All right, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? I do have documentation for a plate and insurance, Mr. Barrett.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to have her plead to limited access 1 to 5 for the failure to stop charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to pay it, ma'am, 125?
I do want to pay it, but
I know
I
you
don't have
want
it
to pay
today.
it, but,
I mean, I just don't have it today.
all right.
Can I?
You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Or you can set a formal hearing for trial. Because that part close is going to be dismissed as well, Mr. Barrett?
It is, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
125. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right. 125, when can you pay it? You
Um,
want 30 days?
yes. Sounds great.
Pay it 9/15/2025. Pay it any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. This graphic. There's other ways you can pay it, but those go through instantly. If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Thank you for coming in. All right.
Thank you as well.
And best of luck to you. All right. Wait. Let's move on down to Leon Griffith. And then I'm gonna get Mark Lane out of here as well too. City of Detroit versus Leon Samuel Griffith, case number SP 174123241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffith.
Leon Samuel Griffith.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give them $0 bond. Mr. Griffith, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Find the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? All right, Mr. Patel, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Gordon. Would you join that breakout room, please? City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Lane, case number C8085601. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Lane.
Good morning, Judge Mark Anthony Lane.
All right, good morning, Mr. Lane. I'm happy to say this is some good news, that I talked to Mr. Officer Bradfield this morning. He said everything was copacetic, and I'm gonna close this matter out.
That sounds great. I appreciate it, Judge.
Close it out. I wish you the best of luck. You see, you still owe us $216, don't you?
216.
For that old speeding ticket.
Oh, yes. I will pay that by the end of this month.
All right, Mr. Lane, I wish you the best of luck. I'm just happy. That's some good news today. A lot of
Yes, I appreciate it, Judge.
All right, be safe and have a very good day, and best of luck to you. All right.
You too. Have a great day as well.
Good.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go. Are we ready on any, Mr. Oldstreet? Are you ready on anybody?
Yeah, ready on both cases.
All right. Let's yeah. Did I get the pronunciation correct that time?
No, no, Your Honor. Ortbring.
Ortbring.
Yep.
Always. Sorry about that.
I don't want you to memorize my name. That's okay.
I remember it though. Or this is City of Detroit versus Janice Ortbrink, case number SP 173112991, SP 1731239. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Aaron Ocean, about Miss Ortbring. You state your name?
Janice Marie Ortbring.
Respectfully requested a bench trial date.
All right, the bench trial date is going to be September 2025 at 9 a.m.
Sorry, I couldn't hear. What date was that?
September the 5th,
Okay.
2025 at 9 a.m. Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, who's next, Mr. Overstreet?
Desmond Gimps.
Glimpse. Glimpse or Gimps?
GLIMPS.
Yeah. I don't see it. Is he here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
It's Damon.
Yes, it's Damon. Damon Glimpse.
Yes. City of Detroit versus Damon Derek Glimpse, case number SP 1667811 B123533022 B1353122 B1353222 B123533322 B1255322 B1235542 B1235522 B1235562 B1235582.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Gimps. You state your name?
Damon Glimpse.
Damon Glimpse. All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Glimpse. Day times at free trial. What do your client want to do?
So he's going to plead no contest to the ticket ending in 3022. This is a ticket over 3 years old, and then the rest of that officer's tickets will be dismissed as part of the plea. And it's also been told to me by sister counsel that Officer Terry no longer works for animal control, so we're asking for those to be dismissed. And then he has one civil infraction was going to be dismissed for compliance.
All right. Well, is any objection to them dismissing for the officer?
No objection.
For the officer not working there? But they could still summons. But
And the no contest plea one, that's going to be a 6-month delayed sentence.
you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I'll take the deal.
Raise your right hand, please. Where is it?
You got on your video, sir?
Yeah, I'm trying to find a way to turn it
There you
on.
are.
Raise
Okay.
your right hand. So you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Overstreet went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
No. Oh.
No questions.
know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Correct.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
So just the one count and the other counts is dismissed?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that,
Yes.
no contest plea on your client's behalf?
Yes.
And you're not contesting the fact that you got, that you got these allegations, are you, sir?
No.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client. The no contest plea is gonna be treated like a guilty plea, 6 months. So for that, I'm gonna fine you $240. There'll be a 6-month delay. I'll waive the warrant fees. Set a review date, I think it's 2/16.
Yes.
2025. Come back on 2/16/2025. If you don't get into any more issues like this, and you pay the $240, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Then we'll dismiss the ticket. $240. Pay it by February 16th and come back on that day. All right.
Sounds good. Thank you.
And best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
You too. Appreciate it.
All right, take care. Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lott. Mr.
Yes,
Lott,
sir.
I'm giving you an opportunity. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak with the city attorney. We're asking that the charge that is on the docket be set for bench trial date, and the 2 civil infractions. My client is in compliance, and the city attorney agreed they could be dismissed at this time.
Trial is going to be September 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I'll dismiss the other matters. Mr. Lott, if you don't have anything further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you too. Thanks, sir. Have a good weekend.
Good as well. Daquan Gordon. Daquan Gordon here. What about Lang? What happened with Lang?
We're ready on long.
I'm here.
What did they say, Miss Lang?
She was able to talk to the event manager that actually put me in position, gave me the hours. She did confirm the hours.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lang. Miss Lang, I'm gonna accept that, and I'm going to dismiss 135232, and I'm gonna close out SP 17083551 and SX 4451752. All right, you don't owe the court any more money. Thank you for the community service, ma'am, and I wish you the best of luck. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Ready as Mr. Griffith, Your Honor.
You got, let's get Long, Harum Long. Unmute yourself, Mr. Long, press *6 to unmute yourself. Hi. City of Detroit versus Hiram Richard Long, case number SP 1729713, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1731380, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1750610, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1751051. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Hiram Richard Long.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. He wants a bench trial date, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
The bench trial date is going to be September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Long, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yes, sir. You too. And good morning to you, Judge Perkins.
Good morning to you. All right.
I thank you.
Anybody else, Mr. Oh,
Yes.
Mr.
We have Jocelyn Munoz.
Okay. This is the City of Detroit versus Jocelyn Munoz, case number SP 171784441. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Jocelyn Munoz.
Your Honor, we're going to request the same jury, or not jury, but bench trial date.
Trial date is going to be 9/5/2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, Ms. Munoz. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. I'm just waiting for street court concerning one of my defendants here, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leon Samuel Griffith. Mr. Griffith, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal for so doing.
Case dismissed, Mr. Griffith. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
What about, we never did get, well, we have, Garibaldi. Garibaldi, are you there? Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, please?
Yes, I'm right here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Ramsey Garibaldi. Did I get that correct?
Yeah.
Case number SP 121-69403. SP 131-0084. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Hold on 1 second. Let me pass this for momentarily. All right. Let's go back on the record. Can you call a probation for Bradley Brown? Appearance for the record for Garibaldi.
My name?
Yeah, state your name, please.
Ramses Ruben Garibaldi.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Garibaldi, we're gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, he owes a couple of 1, 2, 3, 4 civil infractions, one of which is a no insurance proof. That's $288. If he paid that, he could potentially set himself up to get a valid license. At least he'll get clearances here with 36th District Court if he doesn't already have a license. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Garibaldi, with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do. When you come out, if you don't like it, you have an absolute right to it. Just pass the matter. What about, who's got Curtis Lee Lewis?
I do. We're ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Curtis Lee Lewis. Mr. Curtis Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss as my client is currently on a felony probation. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Thank you, sir.
You're free to leave. You can hang up. All right, City of Detroit versus Daquan Gordon, case number SB 156-31422, SB 161-2737, SB 161-63301, SB 175-4479, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
It's Daquan Gordon.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Gordon.
All right, Mr. Gordon, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. Gordon owes $288 on an old no insurance proof as well. He could potentially set himself up to get a valid license if he paid that, if he doesn't already have one. At least he'll get clearance here at the 36th District Court. Mr. Gordon, we'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. So what's the test going to tell me? Yeah. You don't drink? Don't drink anymore. I think Gail's got it too.
All right, here's I emailed Lori Bumpus and left a message.
You say what?
I emailed Lori Bumpus for Bradley Graham to zoom in and I left a message.
You made a call?
Yes. Okay, that's fine. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I'll say this, sir. I know times are probably the most difficult that you had or having. And what I'll be doing is I'll be praying for you. I know the light's not shining as bright at the end of the tunnel as you wanted to, or maybe not at all for you. But I do know that if you persevere with a lot of determination and just keep on moving, then that light will shine brighter. I just can't tell you when that'll be. I always give a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King, and it says, he says, the true test of a man is not where he stands in comfort and convenience, but where he stands in challenges and controversy. And I believe that. I believe that this is your test. Why God chose you to put you through this test, I can't answer that either. But I do believe that it will pass with a lot of perseverance. I do believe in Mr. Patel's program. I have seen it work. I just hope it works for you sooner rather than later, okay? So
Yes, sir.
Is that something you want to do, is join the street court program?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right. Mr. Patel, do you need 60 days?
Yeah, I would ask for October 27th, Your Honor. But we also have a wrinkle on 2 ineligible matters.
You have, okay, so the U618002221 is not eligible?
Correct, as well as the SP12424281.
Your Honor, on those 2 matters, we will set those for a bench trial and resolve them in your courtroom. Then the remaining tickets will go to street court.
Well, actually, Your Honor, the SP12424281 is eligible.
Okay, so
excuse me.
We're gonna keep that in street court. And then the other one will resolve at a trial on 9/5/2025 at 9 a.m. So 2 dates. The next date, you'll be dealing with Mr. Shiroki on September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. And then you'll come back with Mr. Patel, hopefully by that October 27th date, hopefully before then, but hopefully by that date, you have some very good news to tell me about your situation, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep. You have any further questions, sir?
Not at all, Judge. I appreciate it.
I appreciate
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question for Mr. Patel. After the 5th, am I going to have to appear on the 27th?
I'll be appearing on the 27th.
Okay, so I will not need to. Okay, very good.
All right, thank you.
So
Thank you.
on the 5th, sir, is Zoom court again?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so, all right, Mr. Gordon, I mean what I say, and I hope I hear that good news moving forward, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, I heard some good words from you too, sir.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a good
Sir.
day, everyone.
All right, thank you, Mr. Patel.
Thank you.
Ms. Soroki, are you ready on anybody?
Yes, I'm ready on Mr.
Mr. Gwynn. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gwynn. Mr. Gwynn, I've given you Gordon, I'm sorry, Mr. Gordon. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you want a bench trial date for Mr. DeQuan Gordon. You're free to leave. Mr.
Okay.
Sean
Gordon. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, you can leave, Mr. Bushman. All right, this is DeQuan Curry Gordon. We're on the record with, you want a trial date. He could potentially, he doesn't, I don't see anything. Yeah, that 288. He's got it all the way down to $58. You need to pay that $58 ASAP.
He's in a treatment center. He's not going to have the ability to pay it, so.
Well, he can get somebody to pay it for him, right?
If I could, I would.
You done burned all your bridges up?
Apparently.
That 58 is what's preventing you from bringing in a valid driver's license. When do you get out of the treatment center?
I'm in my first month. I can stay the 120 days.
Well, we're gonna be praying for you too. I hope you can continue to maintain your sobriety. Maybe you can, now that you're sober, you can start calling on people and they get them down here to pay that $58 for you. So you can
If I pay the $58, I can get my license back.
Well, don't quote me on that. I'll say this: if you pay the $58, you'll have clearances here at the 36th District Court. So this court won't be preventing you from getting your license. Now, I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions, so I can't say that you'll get your driver's license back.
No, this the only thing I have.
Well, you should be eligible then.
So if I pay the $58, I can get my license back?
You could potentially get your license back. You would be able to get clearances here. That's the only thing that's not allowing you here to get your license. And then you go to the Secretary of State. If they don't give you a license after that, then you can ask them for a printout and they can give you a printout on whatever is affecting your license.
Okay.
All right. So try to get that paid.
So getting that paid will help me out? That's what you're saying?
I would think so. And it's got to be paid anyway. But you're trying to get the clearance. You're trying to get me to say that for sure you're going to be able to get something. I'm not going to say for sure because I don't know what your situation looks like. But I just know what it looks like down here.
So how long will I have to pay it? Will I have to pay it before my next court date, or how does that work?
Yeah, you need to pay it before your next court date.
Okay, when is that?
September the 5th.
Okay. All right, I'll see what I can do.
And make sure that the next attorney, if it's not Ms. Soroki here, that they know that you're in a treatment center your next court date as well too.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. I'll be praying that you can continue your sobriety and continue it after you get out of the treatment, most important. It's a lot easier because you won't be able to stay if you didn't continue your sobriety in there. But when you get out, that's the true test. So I hope that you're able to pass that test.
I will, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garibaldi. Mr. Garibaldi, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, sir?
Yeah.
And you need to pay the $288 as well.
All right.
Come back on September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
I don't think so.
September 5th, the same time?
Same, at 9 a.m. is fine.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
That last guy was Ramsey Garibaldi?
Yes. Where's Ms. Bumpus?
She's in another courtroom. When she finishes, she's gonna come.
Is that it?
That's it.
Well, we just got to get Mr. Graham on his way. I don't remember.
Anybody going to the dream cruise this weekend? I know this one.
Yeah.
Watch their dog. I'm gonna watch their baby and their dog. I want to be watching his dog on the weekend. No, but I'm gonna do it.
You gonna do
Yeah, this is the last time. A baby. What was James Garrett?
He's this sovereign guy and everything.
Also, he can't take this.
He's in contempt already.
Anybody don't come to court. The way they come out of, the agent.
All right. All right, we're just gonna wait on Miss Bumpus to come.
The Cyrus life pressure up at court?
I didn't see it.
Okay. Sorry.
It's been show cause already?
Hold on.
Well, it's a payment issue.
Oh, it's a payment issue, okay.
He was on.
Okay, I'll see if he ever been show cause, if he gonna, I'll check his stuff. A lot of them, they already supposed to get one show cause.
Okay. Eric Lewis here? Who? Eric Lewis? I didn't see Eric Lewis.
No.
Lee Lewis, Curtis Lee Lewis.
What about Natavia Law?
She was here. When are you gonna be able to pay this $630 off? Not sure.
Because of that, just I'm behind it, and I just got evicted yesterday after I got off the phone with you.
So you get evicted from your place? Do you have a place to stay now?
Right now, I'm just at my mama's house now.
So did he need to fill out advice or rights? I had him fill out one.
Well, not necessarily, because he's already fled. This guy's. Why are you so late?
I was in the room and I didn't know to hit agree there. I just got off the phone with the court up there, and she even agrees that we need better instructions on this paperwork that gets sent out to us. I called at 9. They sent me over to your room because I was in the wrong room, and then I didn't hit agree, sir. I apologize about that, but we do need some better instructions on this paperwork, sir. I was calling my lawyer and everything. I was bugging him. I am so sorry.
Who's your lawyer?
I use a guy named Jim. He's out of Monroe, but he's not in right now. He's on vacation, and I've been bugging him. Yes, sir.
Give me the pronunciation of your last name.
Gambard, Gamburt, and I am a junior, sir.
All right, City of Detroit versus John Gambard. John Patrick Gambard Jr., case number U717-41325. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika
Thank
Harris,
you.
on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
My name is John Patrick Gambert Jr., and I will be representing myself today.
Okay, I apologize.
No, it's okay.
What do you want to do?
I want to plead not guilty, sir, and I would like to make the court aware that I was detained and handcuffed and taken to the police station without being read my Miranda rights. I asked for a lawyer. At the time, my request was ignored. No formal charges was filed at the time, sir, and I was later released. I also believe my car was unlawfully seized, driven by the officers, and impounded without proper warrant or justification. I respectfully request that the court considers these violations, and I'm asking for a formal dismissal or to have a hearing to challenge the legality of the stop and the seizure.
All right, so that's going to be done by a motion. You want to challenge the stop, and so you're gonna represent yourself. You're gonna write your own motion and stuff like that.
Yes, I'll have my lawyer take care of all that after he gets back, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Well, I'm going to set a trial date. The trial date will be, because we've already given you a pre-trial date. I mean, this is the date.
Yeah, well, so when I first came in, sir, I'm so sorry. When I first came in, this is my fourth time showing up. I don't know what's been going on, but this pre-trial should have already happened.
All right, well, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to set a trial date for September the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. You can have your lawyer, or you need to get the motion in here before that. You need to give the city attorney opportunity to respond before that. So the court rules say that you have to give the city attorney 7 days to respond. So
I just thought, to be honest, sir, I thought it was going to get thrown out. It was pretty much like they kidnapped me. I don't even understand why I'm here.
But it's not going to get thrown out like
I really don't.
Yeah, it's not going to get thrown out like that.
I didn't know, sir. I was trying
All right, so either get your lawyer, or we can appoint, the court can appoint a lawyer for you if you want that. But you sound like you have your own lawyer.
Yes, sir.
So what do you want to do?
So, I would like to also talk to the court-appointed lawyer too, if that's okay, sir.
Well, she just tried to speak to you, but you said you wanted to represent yourself.
I know.
All right,
well, I was so scared, sir. I'm late. It's 11 o'clock. I didn't. Yes, sir.
Join the breakout room. You want a copy
Yes,
of the ticket, Ms. Harris? Hey, give Ms. Harris.
Sure. Thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Bradley Graham III, case number Z8093641. State your name for the record, Mr. Bradley Graham.
Bradley Graham.
Ms. Bumpus, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the Probation Department.
All right, so Mr. Graham is confident that these tests are gonna come back because he said he doesn't drink anymore.
Yes, Your Honor. He did come in this morning to test and his test results were negative.
Very good. Now, what do we have for him as far as his situation is concerned? How often are you working?
We just got back to working actually like last week fully.
Okay.
Cause we work, we're like Christ.
I know how it goes. I know how I worked for 26 years, so I know exactly how it goes. Well, listen, I want to be able to get you off of this sooner rather than later. This was the 6-month date the other day.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand, my job is protecting the community. And I have people telling me all day that they didn't do this, they didn't do that. The proof is in the test. So that's why it's so important for you to test. All right. He's completed everything else.
He still has a balance, Your Honor, of $630.
Yeah, or other than the money.
He's completed everything else.
You want to do some community service?
I'd rather just pay it.
All right, when can you pay?
Can you extend me at least 2 or 3 months?
I can all day long. I got 2 years I can hold you on that.
I'd rather you extend me pay it because I have a little son that I had to switch off with me and my baby mother. So I'd rather pay it than have to do community service.
So you want to, you're saying 2 months, 3 months? What do you want to do?
Just give me 3 months.
Come back, review. And how often is he testing?
He's testing 2 times a month, Your Honor.
I'll leave that in place. 11/17/2025, 8/25. You don't have to come back in person, but if you get into an issue, don't wait until the date of court. All right? Because Ms. Bumpers can probably help you, or somebody can probably help you, but at the very least, we're gonna know what's going on.
Okay.
All right? All right, so call that number help too and see if Mr. Johnson can help you. And if you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Mr. Graham, could you come down and see me for 1 minute, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Judge. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you. Huh?
No, I was asking, Jameer, he don't get paperwork, right?
I mean, he could, but he doesn't need. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gambrell. Mr. Gambrell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel,
Thank
what's
you
your
for that.
client? How client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
That's gonna change your court date to September the 2nd. And that way, I have to make sure that appointed attorney has contacted you. That's what that date is set for.
Yes, sir.
So you need to answer the call. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
The attorney has not contacted you by September the 2nd, and we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that day, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. That's next date is September 2nd, 2025, 8:30. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Thank you, sir.
All right, very good. Okay.